Up, 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 up. You smell that? You want to smell this? Okay. Weird how thick it is right there, right? Put your foot down. Here, put your foot down. No. Put your foot down. Put your foot down. Thank you. Put your foot down. Olive. You can look at me, Olive. You can look at me, Olive. You don't want to look? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. You're okay. Let me see. Come here. You can look at me. It's okay. You don't like it? Just, it's real fast. Real fast now. Look at me. You're okay. Look, don't. Don't. Stay with me now. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. I know you're blind over there. I know you don't have an eye anyway. Here. Here. Put your foot down. No. 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 Good. Don't pull back. Give me a second. Very good, very good. Shh, don't do that. Where's my sweep right now? Where's my broom at? Been doing that a lot today, sweeping the, here it is. I'll put it somewhere new. I'm in here. All right, I'm actually going to use the foreguard here as well because I'm going to blend the head with the body. And let's see if it works out. And that way the top is short, and then when I shave the eyeball area, because Mom says she wants all that cleaned out. The 4 is what we used on the body anyway. So So to me that just makes sense, but you could do a 2 reverse, you could do a 2 down, you can leave the hair a little longer on the face. Please don't tell me that's a flea. Shh. See. It's a flea, but it's not moving. Not yet, anyway. It is a flea, though, on my thumb. That is a flea right there. This other camera can pick it up pretty good. That's a flea. It looks dead to me, or it would have been jumping around. It would not have let me pick it up. Sorry. Good girl. Thank you for letting me get all that. Man, we've come a long way since I picked you up, huh? Just imagine, give us a couple years together. How about 10 years, huh? Can you imagine that? Yeah, I can. You know, my fingers don't fit in there. So don't think I'm digging. I can't hardly get it. It's slippery. But there's not a lot of ear hair, so that's great. You know how sometimes I'll say, like, wherever they went, or wherever they've been going hasn't been pulling the ear hair? Oh no, they've been pulling the ear hair here. There's hardly anything in there. I'll show you in a minute. Again, I cannot get my finger in there. There's no way. Okay, looks good. Okay, let's get our ear shears out. Let's take a look here. Get your brush. A little bit of even conditioner. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, baby girl. Let me see. Good girl. You would want to wash your eyes about twice a day if it's got the seepage like that. Twice a day? I tell your mom wash your face twice a day, okay? Twice a day. Twice a day, okay? She stay home with you, right? Yeah. All day, right? Yeah. Twice a day. Twice a day, okay? It's windy, isn't it? I like it. I like the wind. Nice and cleaned out, right? Mommy said she wanted all this out too in the mouth. See, I'm already wiping her eye for her, so she's seeping like every 30 minutes, a little bit of seepage. You need to go ahead and take care of that. So twice a day at least, you know, wash your face, especially if you're home with your pet. And if it's like you know, you just get lazy and a little forgetful, you gotta set an alarm. Set an alarm that goes off every day. I'm talking to you because if you're home at full time with your pet, and you don't exercise, she said they don't go on walks. And so I know you have time, you know. And she said the other day she doesn't sleep at all. She said at 2 in the morning I was laying there and I was like, I think I'm having a stroke. She didn't get up, she couldn't sleep, but she just could not, you know what I mean? So I know for a fact she has time. And right now it would be great for them to get some exercise and do some stuff together. And you know how, like I tell you guys, just because you can't go outside, like she said her husband doesn't want to go out the front yard, right? Doesn't want to take the pets in the front yard. I said, well, when I get to where I'm going to walk your pet, and I need you to know that. I'm not taking your pet into my backyard. I'm taking your pet on a walk to poo. Okay, and she said, yeah, I know. Okay, okay, right? And I'm like, so if you think that your dog, which is true, your dog can catch anything out front, so can we, obviously. But you are not exercising your pet, so don't think you can't exercise in your living room. Right? You can exercise in your living room. You can exercise in any space. Just march in place. the pet parents, I sent her a 1-minute video about the eye face and the eye boogers, and I said, do you have a flea comb? Do you need one? And I have anything you need. And then I let her, I see the video on how to take out that poop, that stuff in her eye. And her response was, I know I have a comb. If she sees anything in my hand, she runs from me. I'm not fast enough to catch her anymore. There's a couple things I need to do here to final out. She said her husband likes to leave her a little long so he can see the curl, and I can see it. Like her hair does curl on her body a bit, doesn't it? Don't do that. Don't whippy whip. Don't whippy whip. All right, the last thing I want to do is I'm saving that last ear so I can take a picture. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm just going to run this way. We're going to look in this ear and shave just this little bit here that's not inside the ear, but makes the ear seem bushy right there. Check your heat. Good. And then there's just a tiny bit of ear hair. I just can't grip it. Like barely, because of the static. Okay, and then the gloves do help, but there's a little static here. And I'm sure this is a little cool. Okay, good girl. Do a final kind of brush everything in your way, because she's going to shake and move and it's going to change things. Like I said, you do shake and move, it's going to change things. Look at her. It's going to change. Look at what it did. It changed things. Get your guard out. Hey, you did so good. You did so good. Yes, you did. You did so good, girlfriend. You did so good. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Come here. You ready to go home? Oh, you did so good. You did so good. Yes, you did. You did so good. See, now we're all done. Yeah, now we're all done. You want me to clean your eye? You don't want to hug me? You don't want to hug? Do you not want to hug? Come here. Let me see. You did so good, girl. You did so good. Yes, you did. You're so precious. I'm sorry you were worried, huh? You were worried? Well, look at what I'm wearing. I mean, you haven't seen me in like a year. Yeah. See you in a couple months? Huh? You see you in a couple months? Let's get this eye washed off. I know I have eye wash here somewhere. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. I left those whiskers there. All right, let's get the eye wash. You see how there's like a tiny bit of hair in there? I want to say it's been there the whole time. So I'm going to just take my eye wash here, which you can get at myfavoritegroomer.com, and I'm just going to lift your chin up, and I'm going to just, oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, is that new to you? It's okay. I'm just going to, wait for it. Let me see. Does that worry you? There you go. See, now there's no hair in there. If your eyeballs are kind of bulgy, you know, let's make sure you don't have any hair in there, okay? Can you tell now the hair's gone? Yeah, that's easy, yeah? It's okay. Let's go ahead and just clean this a little bit more here. The seepage already happening. All right, all done. right, guys. Wow, what a groom. I was taking my time. I won't use her on the table next time. I was expecting some struggle because when I picked her up, you saw she was like jerking, right? So I really is expecting her to jerk and jerk over here. But next time I won't put her on the wall. When you have the wall against you, it's like you don't have full space. As a groomer, I hate the wall. But sometimes you need the wall as that third hand. The dog up stand, the dog up mini, woo, saved me some time. And lifted her up so I didn't have to hold her up. So woohoo! And thank you so much for watching this. I rarely have to groom a dog without a second eye. And so it's interesting to see just how it will be and how it comes out. And man, it was really nasty in there, but if you were to wash your dog's face daily, twice a day, maybe 3 times a day, that would start to prevent and avoid that buildup. So make sure you take care of your dog's faces. Pet parent in this situation is brushing like crazy because she hasn't come in to me for 1.5 years, but she's been going to PetSmart, Petco, those places. And she said she just went there prior to October 2020. November, December, so that's almost 3 months she hasn't been groomed and she hardly had any knots or tangles. A few under the armpits where she pees, one behind the ear, but real tiny stuff to work with. None on the pads, a couple in between her toes, but nothing huge. Yes, good job, pet parent, for brushing on a daily basis. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for becoming a member, and thanks for shopping at myfavoritegroomer.com. We'll see you soon. Are you back there telling me what to do? Huh? Are you back there telling me what to do? You're happy now, so you're barking at me? Are you barking at me? Are you telling me what to do back there? You were quiet on the ride. Or now you know me? Or now we're friends? We're friends now? Are you talking to me? Oh my God. She's comfortable now.